Alright, so BetaFPV has come out with a bunch of new colors for their frames and canopies. There's going to be a giveaway on the BetaFPV website. I'm going to link that in the video description. It's not on this video, so don't go crazy in the comments thinking that there's a giveaway in this video. There isn't. It's being sponsored by BetaFPV, but I'm just going to link their page where you can read about all of the terms and conditions of their giveaway, and I'll scroll some of that stuff here on the screen as well. But I just want to show you quickly what they've got going on. They've got the Meteor65 frames, Meteor65 Pro frames, and they have Meteor75 frames, but for some reason I think they forgot to send me some of those. These aren't even all the colors that you're seeing here, so if you want to see all the colors that are available, click the links in the video description on there. Then you'll be able to click on the individual colors and see what they look like. Now I'm just going to show you quickly what they sent along here. So they did send along a prop pack here. This is 35mm pack for the 65 Pro, and you got white, transparent gray, transparent orange, and transparent blue. This is my 65 Pro, and I'm probably going to switch out the colors here. Thinking, I don't know, maybe go with the purple instead of the green with the white canopy. What do you guys think in the comments? Is that a good combo, or should I go for black with a black canopy maybe? I don't know. There's this new transparent color, so it's transparent frame, and then they have just plain white. And again, this isn't all of the colors. There are additional ones. Go to the link in the description if you want to see additional colors. And then they also sent me some of the canopies. Again, this is not the complete set. So you got a green, orange, pink, blue, black, and white. And this is the standard canopy, just in a different color. But and then this comes in a bag with the little camera mount as well, and it comes in two different angles as before. But here's, I think, a lot of the 65mm colors here, as you can see. So we got pink, transparent white, black, yellow, like green, and then like this is like another kind of green. I think cyan maybe, blue, orange, purple, and red. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of frames here. Thinking I might switch out some of my older builds with, like, I think I've got like plain blue frames or something like that. Something pretty boring with some of these colors. And yeah, I'm not sure what I should go for. We'll see. Anyway, link in the description for all of this stuff, frames, canopies, and their giveaway. I think you have to do something on Instagram or Facebook, or they're doing it on multiple platforms, I believe. So yeah, just go to that page. I'm not going to read off everything on there. You can read it yourself. Link will be down in the video description. But yeah, you got colors now, and you can customize your whoop and, you know, personalize it to the way you like. You know, if you don't like the stock colors, then now you can go totally nuts with whatever colors you want. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Talk to you guys later.